Welcome to our channel. If you want to diversify your investment portfolio to reduce risk and maximize returns, follow these step-by-step instructions to build a balanced portfolio. Step 1. Assess your current portfolio holdings by listing all investments including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, and cash to understand your current allocation. Step 2. Spread investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and alternative investments based on your risk tolerance. Step 3. Diversify within asset classes by investing in different sectors like technology, healthcare, finance, consumer goods, and energy, rather than concentrating in one area. Step 4. Include international exposure by allocating a portion of your portfolio to foreign stocks and bonds from developed and emerging markets worldwide. Step 5. Vary market capitalizations by holding large-cap, mid-cap, and small-cap stocks to benefit from different growth opportunities and risk profiles. Step 6. Use index funds and ETFs as efficient diversification tools that provide instant exposure to hundreds or thousands of securities with low fees. Step 7. Rebalance your portfolio annually or when allocations drift significantly from your targets to maintain your desired diversification levels. Step 8. Avoid over-diversification by limiting yourself to 15-25 individual holdings. Too many investments can dilute returns and make portfolio management difficult. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.